Here in Pueblo, the story of Still is more than history. It's a part of who we are. These grounds hold the memory of a community shaped by hard work, determination, and resilience.
For decades, the Colorado Fuel and Iron Company powered growth across the American West. Workers here forged the steel to support railways, bridges, and cities throughout the region.
But behind every beam and railway, where the people who made it possible, families, immigrants, and neighbors who built their lives around the mill, their stories live on in the spirit of this community.
Today, the Steelworks Center of the West preserves a legacy, protecting the moments of memories that shaped Pueblo's identity. It reminds us that history isn't distant. It's alive in a place like this.
As students in Central High School's Drone and Aviation pathway, we're honored to support this story. Using modern and aerial technology, we captured this site from perspectives past generations could only imagine.
Through advanced photogrammetry, we created details, maps, and 3D models that reveal the structure, layout, and conditions of the grounds. These tools help us guide efforts for research and restoration.
This project showed us how the past and future can connect, how history can inspire innovation, and how technology can preserve stories worth remembering.
The legacy of the CF&I lives through the people that preserve it, and through the students like us who carry its story forward.